Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. It is another Friday Sews. I'm not exactly sure when this one will be uploaded. I'm thinking just before midnight. It's already around 3 in the afternoon here in Texas. The weather today is pretty overcast. We're supposed to have a few thunderstorms today, so it's really dark and just not a exciting entrance into the weekend. I have not had the best week, so sewing was not at the top of my list. Tuesday, I got a migraine, and that kind of rolled into Wednesday. So I was out completely on Wednesday, and Thursday, I gradually started to get back to myself, but by 2 o'clock, the day is gone, but I started to feel a little bit better. I completed number 3 of that secret project that I'm working on, so really happy about that. Got that out of the way, and then I can start attacking those projects that I shared in my sewing plans. So looking forward to getting those out to you all. So on the life front, lifestyle, whatever, not a whole lot going on. I just don't feel 100%. I'm just getting back into feeling really good. It's so crazy when you're not well and you get better. You totally forget how horrible it was, and you kind of take for granted the good days. So I'm trying really hard to incorporate being grateful for every day and feeling good, because my migraines haven't been coming frequently, which is a good thing. So this is the first migraine I've had in about 2 or 3 months, if I'm doing the calculations right. So I think that's really good. So I think it has a lot to do with exercising and getting outside and just being more active. Even though sometimes, depending on where I run past, like if there are trees or if there's a lake, then my allergies will get excited and that might trigger a migraine. So some of the things I usually do when I feel like I have migraines on the forefront is kind of take a note and jot down certain things that I'm doing, like if I change anything in my diet, if I've introduced any new thing, if someone visits, like perfumes, I kind of take a note, especially when I feel like, okay, my migraines are coming and they're coming frequently, so that I can kind of be prepared and always have my medicine. So that is basically what the life was this week. It was nursing a really ill migraine crushed Renata. So not a lot of sewing done, which is a real bummer. But I think what I'm going to share right now is the pattern testing pieces that I talked to you guys in the last few Friday sews. I'm going to show you the completed hoodie, which is this really bright one. Yeah, there it is. It's a hoodie and I really like it. I love this. This is one of the new patterns by Bella. I'm drawing a blank right now. Why can't I remember? The name will be here. I talk about her all the time. Anyway, so this is the hoodie. I really like it. I'm going to make a new one. And actually, this does not look too bad with a denim jeans. The blue or the black really helps to balance off all this color. I just don't know if I'll ever wear these two pieces together unless I'm at home. So this is the jogger, and I really like it. It's really comfortable. I love this detail. So I haven't done a professional photo shoot with these. Not sure I will with this one, but I do plan to make a sort of rust color one. I'm not sure if I shared that in any of my previous videos, but Bella Loves, that's the pattern design company. So I like that it has this crease in there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it has a crease right Where did it go? Here we go. Right here. There's this crease right there. And it just adds a really nice detail. It's kind of hard because this fabric is so busy. It's really hard to see. Maybe if I put it like this, you guys can see that crease there. Yeah, and it runs all the way down to the cuff. So this is really comfortable. I didn't have to do any sort of adjustment with this. It fit perfectly. I went with the size 8. I'm pretty sure it's like 2, 4, 6, 8. And I went with the medium size, and this is such a really good pattern. I really love it. It fit really good. I believe this is the Luna jogger, and then this one is, I'm pretty sure it's the Interstellar hoodie, but trust me, I will leave everything you guys need to know down in the description section. And then the other project from that pattern test, which I can finally share because she's already put out the patterns, is this one. Sorry, it was inside out because I was deciding if I wanted to wear it or not, but it's cold out and I just didn't feel like being stuffed up with a mock turtleneck. So this one is very unique. I know I showed you guys this fabric before. I love the sleeve detail, so you guys can get like a full view of it. Like, it's got this really unique sleeve detail. And it's so pretty. I love it. The neckline is high, and it's not like a turtleneck, so it's not very form-fitting. It's more of a cozy, comfortable kind of funnel neck, a wider funnel neck going on there, and I like it. It's got a drop shoulder, and then the sleeve comes together to this unique shape at the end of the sleeve right there, if you guys can see that. And I think that is what I wanted to share. Let me see what else. Oh, the last time I shared about the simplicity pattern for that beautiful blue fabric. I know that right now, today, there's actually a sale going on at Joann. So I think if we head out to Krause's, I'm gonna swing by and pick up that fabric. Rewind, not fabric, that pattern. I'm gonna pick up that pattern while it's on sale, and nothing else. I mean, I really want to do a quick sew. I know I'm halfway done with the Bakerloo, but I just want something like right now because this week just didn't flow the way that I wanted it. So I was looking through some magazine, and don't worry about this. Hoot took this to the cleaners. He almost he almost chewed everything on this, and I caught him just at the right time. So this is the Birder Easy, and this is for February 2020. Some reason I got this magazine. I don't usually subscribe to this, but I don't know if it had to do with the pandemic and how everything was shut down, that they just sent me a filler that they had in North America versus waiting for the others to come from overseas. So I got this magazine. I'm so sorry that I can't actually share what the cover looks like because Hoot had half of it. I just really wanted a very quick sew, and I have some red stretchy fabric. Velour, I'm not sure if I'm going to use that, but this top is such a quick make. I am thinking I'm going to cut it out and make it tonight or tomorrow morning because I want something done. I want something done and made and just feel like I accomplished something this week. I know I finished that other project, but it was already in the works, and I feel like I want to start something from scratch and be done with it. I don't know why I feel like I need to have this fast food sort of attack on my sewing projects, but I really do. I want to make this. I think it looks so pretty. pretty. Yeah, look at this version of it. It looks really pretty, doesn't it? So I'm going to either use that red fabric. You know what? Let me go grab the fabrics that I'm thinking about. I'll be right back. Okay, so after thinking about it, I don't want to deal with all the extra dust bunnies of a velour fabric. And I have too much anyway. I have like 3 yards of this fabric, so I'm not gonna do that. But this is the one that I had thought about for that pattern there. But I think I'm gonna switch on you guys, and I think I'm gonna actually cut this one tonight. So this green one, it's just a color that I don't usually go for. So I might work on this one. I just want something sewn up tonight. I feel kind of selfish and I just want something made right away to comfort me and make me feel really successful this week. So that is what I have regarding my sewing. I don't have any other plans other than the ones that I shared in this video, and I do have to edit my fabric haul because I made a fabric haul video last week. I just didn't edit it. So if it looks like I'm wearing one of the outfits from a previous Friday Sews, it's just because that's when I recorded it, but I'm actually editing it tonight or probably tomorrow. Probably not tonight because I'm going to cut that easy pattern. I just want something made up. So I feel like it's been quite rambly and I don't want to cut this, but I might have to so it just flows nicely. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me and handling all this rambulations going on here. I really do appreciate you guys. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye bye.